Welcome, everyone. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of stock investing? If you've ever wondered how to pick the right stocks that could grow your wealth over time, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking it down step by step in this video, how to choose the right stocks for investment. Let's get started. First off, understand your investment goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Is it retirement, a new home, or perhaps your child's education? Your timeline and risk tolerance will shape everything. If you're young and can handle ups and downs, you might lean toward growth stocks. But if you're nearing retirement, safer dividend-paying stocks could be your best bet. Take a moment to jot down your objectives. It'll guide your choices like a roadmap. Next, do your homework on the company. Don't just chase hot tips from friends or social media. Research the business fundamentals. Look at what they do. Are they in a growing industry like tech or renewable energy? Check their leadership team. Strong, experienced executives often mean stability. And read recent news. Any scandals or innovations on the horizon? Tools like company websites, annual reports, or apps such as Yahoo Finance can be your allies here. Now let's talk numbers, the financial health check. Dive into key metrics. Earnings per share, or EPS, shows profitability. The price-to-earnings ratio, or PE, tells you if the stock is overvalued or a bargain. Don't forget debt levels. A company swimming in debt might sink during tough times. And revenue growth. That's the engine driving future success. Aim for consistent upward trends over the past few years. If math isn't your thing, plenty of free online calculators can simplify this. Consider the bigger picture, market trends, and economic factors. Is the economy booming, or is a recession looming? Sectors like healthcare often hold steady, while consumer goods might fluctuate with spending habits. Also, think global. Events like trade wars or pandemics can shake things up. Stay informed with reliable sources like CNBC or the Wall Street Journal to spot opportunities before the crowd. Diversification is your safety net. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across industries, sizes of companies, and even geographies. This way, if tech takes a hit, your healthcare or energy stocks might balance it out. A good rule: aim for at least 10 to 15 different stocks in your portfolio. Finally, know when to buy and sell. Use strategies like dollar-cost averaging, investing fixed amounts regularly regardless of price, to reduce risk. And remember, patience is key. Great investors like Warren Buffett play the long game. Always consult a financial advisor if you're unsure, as this isn't personalized advice. There you have it, folks, your guide to choosing the right stocks. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop a comment. What's your top stock pick right now? Thanks for watching, and happy investing. Have you ever wondered what the future of money looks like?